I'm in front of the camera today to kind of introduce you into what this current YouTube video is going to be about. Everybody's seen the cutters, well not everybody, but a lot of you on Instagram have seen the cutters that I make for Haas on our Haas machine. So they're turned on a Haas lathe, they're milled on a Haas VF1, and then we stick them with, put brazed carbide tips in them, and then we grind the shanks cylindrically. And then the next step is on our Haas VF1s on this side of the shop, where we put them in with just the tips brazed in, and they come out fully functional milling cutter. So here it goes. Alright, so here it is, just brazed only, and then here's a finished one with the basically it's a stagger tooth 8 flute cutter with 20 thou corner radii on both sides, and it also have chip breakers that are not exactly equidistant as per the print. So here's the little Haas logo going out to Oxnard. So the first thing I do is I load the, of course I've already programmed it, is I load the tool in the holder loosely, push go. It's going to go down, it's going to stop. I orient it by locating the proper hand flute on the tool. Close the door. And the first thing it's doing here is face grinding. Okay. Next up in the operation is it's going to start grinding the inside ends. So it'll do the right hand inside ends, the left hand inside ends, so on and so forth. Okay, so now it finished the inside ends and all the secondaries on the and whatnot, and now it's going to do the primaries. Typical subroutine, some linear code, some circular interpolation. So just simple stuff for simple grinding. So now it's switching over from the primaries to grinding the outside ends. You see, it's always just a slight shift of the fourth and fifth. Our B axis is basically how we get our relief and whatnot, and our A axis is the orientation for the flute, different flutes. Now it's changing from the outside ends and stuff to now it's doing the outside corner radius primaries. Okay, now for the last operation, it's going to do the chip breakers. That was the last grind of the program. We'll change it out to get the first wheel in the program back. Yeah. All done. Now, just for fun, we'll go over and look at it in the comparator. Now it's loaded up in the comparator, and as you can see, it has the chip breakers. They don't overlap, so it's going to still cut a nice straight wall, but it'll break the chip up significantly. And you'll also be able to see the corner radius on both sides. So there you have it.